Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this fun freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with this lavender polish. It's kind of lavender and blue mixed together. It's by Sinful Colors and it's called Quick Study. It's a really pretty polish. Now using my black nail striper, I'm going to draw a couple of lines. I'm going to fill in these lines though. I wanted to do a different kind of freehand nail design, different from my wavy designs I've been recently doing. I wanted to do something a little more different than that. And I hope I made this video really easy, this freehand really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. And you can also use a nail brush with polish or acrylic paint. It's up to you. I just like using the striper a little better. It gives me more control. Now I added another line because the bottom of the nails was just so plain and I didn't want to take too much of the color because I do love the nail polish, so I just wanted to add a line. And I did this kind of like lacy, I don't know, lacy X. I don't know the design that I did in the middle. I just wanted to do something kind of simple, but it just brought the whole look together. I hope I made this video easy, like I said, for you to recreate something completely different than my regular freehand nail designs. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.